Hello traders, welcome back. It's Jeffrey here again, and here is another recap of yesterday's trades. These were all posted in the private Telegram channel. As you can see, they were posted yesterday at 7:20 on 7:24 at around 7 p.m. About an hour or so before the Asian Open. Total number of pips with our first high probability targets and runners, 731 if you add them all up, depending on how you are trading, whether you are trading as little as just a micro lot, 0.1 lot, up to half a lot, or even more. We had incredible results. All winners, great runners as well. So let's go ahead and take a look at the charts. But before we start, let me just move this out of the way. And we have our disclaimer. All the information provided here is for educational purposes only, and it is not an offer or a recommendation to trade futures, stocks, options, or Forex, as you all know. All right, let's go ahead and dive into the charts. And let's bring this back over here so we can see our results. We had a total of 8 trades that I posted last night. I actually had about a dozen or so, but these were the 8 top ones. The other ones did fine as well, but I will only send you my absolute best. So, first one was the Euro Yen. We got in right around 8 o'clock at 166.577, and within literally just a short period of time, less than 30 minutes, we were out with our high probability at 166.291. And then, as many of you saw, I like to trail my linear regression moving average on the 15-minute chart. And until that swung down and around, we were stopped out right here at about 12:45. I was comfortably sleeping at that time, and we just racked up the pips. So we were out for our first trade on our high probability target in a short period of time. You could have seen that right on your trading platform, and then the automatic runner just went ahead and gave us our extra pips. So total number of pips for that first target was 29, and then an additional 113 for 142 altogether. Next pair, the Euro franc, the Swiss franc. Same thing, we got in right around 8 p.m., 959.909, and then we were out within about an hour or so, and let that run. Okay, clearly below the linear regression moving average, as you can see. And then almost hit it, gave it its leeway. That's why this 15-minute runs so well with our spread. We didn't get taken out over here. And not until, we're not quite there yet. There we go. Right at, let's see, right at 8:30 when the economic report came out, we got taken out. So this trade ran literally all night long, okay? Total of 7 pips for the high probability target, and then another 52, 59 all together on the Euro CHF, okay? And let's see, next one, the Aussie Yen. We were in at 101.0900, out at 109.41 within just a short period of time. And you can see the runner came out and we got taken out. Oh, not quite. Let it swing around, and we got taken out right over there at about 1 a.m. On the Aussie Swiss franc, we're in at 05202. We're out very quickly. Okay, that high probability target was a very close one, but fortunately, with the runner coming through for us, we were able to bank. Let's see, not quite there. We did swing right around. And this was another great one that came all night long until the economic report release. So our initial target, only 7 pips, but we held on for, let's see, hold on. Aussie US franc. only 2 pips, but we held on, and the runner gave us another 82 pips for a total of 84 pips, okay? Next, the Canadian dollar yen. We were in and out within about 30 minutes. And look at these incredible runners. And this one, we are out right around 12:45 a.m. Total of about 110 pips altogether. And then we've got the Canadian Swiss franc as well. Same thing, 1, 2, 3, 4, out after about an hour or so. And this one was a little sluggish, but fortunately, our linear regression moving average kept us in the trade. And we really stayed in throughout the entire night and got out right at the 8:30 news report as well, okay? With this automatic runner, we had a total of 110 pips, so this was actually one of our, CAD-CHF, about 60 pips altogether. And then on the Kiwi franc, out right away, and we had a pretty quick turnaround here, and we were out right about 2:15 a.m. for only about 5 pips for our high probability, but we did add another 51 pips. And finally, the Kiwi yen, we were out right away, and we swung around and came back out, and we came out at around 1 a.m. as well. So as you can see, traders, from our summary here, all short entries, all winners. There were no long entries yesterday, okay? We get in at our short entry. We take our first target. We program that in whatever platform you're using, okay? And then we let it run for a maximum number of pips based on what I choose with my years of experience is a great runner to follow. The linear regression moving average. Much better than typical smoothed or exponential moving average. I really like that one the best. And as far as lot sizes go, I happen to trade based on risk parameters, but for the purpose of the video, we'll just use rounded lot sizes. You could go as low as 0.01 lots if you're just starting out and you want to see in real dollars and cents, mostly cents and a dollar or two for each one of these trades. But you could have traded 0.01 lot of each of these, and then each one of your trades would have been a tenth of these, $4, $3, $8, $9. So your total would have still been about $50. That's what you would have made. Your risk would have been a little bit higher if you lost on every single one of them, maybe $100. But that's a great way to start. It's a much, much lower risk way to start than in the futures market. That's why so many people prefer trading Forex, because you can start with those nano lots, okay? But the micro lots of 0.1 are perfectly reasonable. If you only traded 0.1 lot, micro lot sizes, you still cleared $500 last night for doing a half an hour maybe's worth of work entering the trades, okay? My few hour analysis to get you the trades gives you the opportunity to log these in, get them on your platforms, and knock out some great profits. So hope you like those trades. We will get ready for tonight's release in a couple of hours. If you have any questions, by all means, go ahead and email me. Here's my email address. You can ask me any questions there. You can head right over to strategicdaytraders.com. Click join and sign up, okay? If you are new to my channel, send me an email and I'll give you a code to give you a break off the monthly fee as we're just building up our members. But I've had phenomenal responses from my members already. people are making money right off the bat, okay? It's my pleasure to do this. I love trading and teaching, and it's exciting for me to take these trades and show you my results along with the ones that you can take yourself, okay? We'll start adding sessions in with different trading platforms, how to set things up, answering all of your questions, and we'll begin those as early as next week. If there are any topics you would like to cover, please go ahead and email me and I'll put them on the list. I will also post, we're now posting these videos in a YouTube channel, so I'll put that in there and you'll be able to see it as well. Great being with you again, good trading, and we will see you in the next one.